All right, so this is how to assemble the green spike ball set. All right, you're gonna have 4 metal frames. You're gonna have 4 green legs, and you're gonna have 1 net. Okay. So with the frame, you'll notice that there are some clips here. Okay, they do come off, but try to keep them on. And what they have are little notches. Okay, and then that is where you're gonna put the net. So make sure that the notches are at the bottom, not on top, but at the bottom. All right, let's go ahead and get assembling this. So you're gonna take 1 leg, you're gonna take 1 frame. All you're simply gonna do, you'll notice that the frame kind of has like a little, it's the easiest way to see it, but you can kind of see right there that there's a notch, and that kind of goes on the bottom because you can notice that there's little notches too in the legs. So you're simply just gonna line it up so that it goes right in there. You can see it's tough to move. So that's all you're gonna do. You're gonna go around until you connect them all and slide it in so it connects with the other. And then you're just gonna go all the way around. Not really right or wrong way to put the legs. And just slide it in until we get a circle. There we go. All right, this now set up pretty good and sturdy. Now we're gonna put the net. Okay, we're gonna put the net in the middle to start with. And what you're gonna do, you'll notice that there's a red tag on there. Okay, so that part we can put down first. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go over the top of the frame, and then underneath you're gonna clip it to one of those clips so it stays on nice and tight. Then you're gonna go back to the there's another red, go there, pull it all the way across to an opposite side, and there's a clip over the rim and then underneath so it stays on to the frame. Then you're gonna go in between the reds, same thing, over and then under the clip, and then go straight across. So you're gonna do this until you get all of your clips that are catching the net. Make sure you're always going across. I think it's pretty good, okay? And then you'll take your ball and you will play because it's nice and bouncy, all right? Now to take it off, all you're gonna do is just do the opposite. So you just go, and this one you can actually, you can get it off, you can actually just go right down the line to get all of these off. So what you do is, all right, and then once you get the net off, you can just disregard that. And then to take off the frame, all you're gonna do is simply just pull it apart, take the legs off, simply just pull it apart, go around. If they fall off like that, that's fine because we're taking it apart anyways. And there we go. Now, if any of these clips fall off, which some might do, just put them right back, okay? And that is how you assemble and deassemble the green spike ball. Have fun.